Yesterday, it's really snowing and a lot of snow, and my friend Kelly called. All right, we're going to go. The trains are running, our train. We're going to go to the program. We've got to go to 21st Street and 3rd. We get to 25th. We walk through the snow. It's fucking horrible. The wind's blowing. Nasty. No card. We get to the program. There's only 2 people. The nurse. No nurses are there. Only the secretary and a doctor giving out the medication. So everybody's online. Not everybody. A few people. I'm looking in my bag. Kelly, I forgot my fucking ID card. Forgot my ID card. Right? The doctor says, you got a problem. Got your ID card. I said, but the nurse always gives me my medication without my ID card. Why do I have a problem? It's on the chart. How much I get? 140 milligrams. Without your ID card, you're not getting medicated. I said, fuck you, Harry. Fuck you. You're a fucking scumbag. This is an emergency, and you're taking authority and making it into a... Oh, I just walked out. I said, he's not going to fucking medicate me. And I'm not leaving here unless I get medicated. Call my sister. Bob, they're not going to medicate me. Can you find my ID card and tell me the number that's on it? There's 4 numbers. She tells me the number. Harry comes over. Did you find your number? I said, yeah, I got my number. Well, then just give me the number, I'll medicate. Why didn't he fucking tell me that at the beginning? Right? I thought I was going to have to come all the way. Because I get a bottle. I don't have to go today. You know what I'm saying? I was pissed off. You know what I'm saying? I got all these crazy stories I tell you guys. I think I ought to write a book. What do you think? Should I be